Hi, I'm Megan from the Megan Scott Real Estate Team, and I am here at our fantastic new listing at 3523 Chartrand Crescent in the desirable community of Erin Mills, Mississauga. This beautiful property features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms that include a finished basement and an attached garage. The highlight of this home is the newly renovated open concept main floor with a stunning modern kitchen. Now let's go inside and explore. This home has an abundance of natural light and shows pride in ownership. It features laminate floors, a unique open floor plan that includes living, dining, and family room with a beautiful kitchen, stainless steel countertops, a gorgeous eat-in island with plenty of storage, and access to the backyard. Follow me upstairs as we move to the second floor. That includes 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The primary bedroom has a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom for privacy. Other features of this home have smooth ceilings, pot lighting, and a gas fireplace. Erin Mills is known for its great schools and family communities, along with its amenities such as parks and trails, Credit Valley Hospital, recreation centers, Erin Mills Town Center, not to mention convenient access to GO Station, public transit, as well as highways 403, 401, and the QEW. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and for more information on this home, please visit meganscottteam.com or give us a call at 647-232-7743.